So this will go up on the channel then.
Real good. Perfect meat, falls right off the bone, really juicy. 15 out of 10.
That's a real deal.
Welcome everyone. This is Kunchi, and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today I'm making some jerk pork on the grill. Just like I did my jerk chicken video, I'm going to pre-cook this pork in the oven for about 45 minutes just to get that cooking process started, and you know, that way it's not living on the grill all day, because we don't need to be cooking it on high the entire time. I also have a separate piece that I'm going to be doing, so pre-cooking that in the smoker for about an hour and, you know, finishing it on the grill. This is just going to be an experiment piece. I've never tried that before, so I'm trying that right now. This is my pork here that I had marinated yesterday. This is a marinade I made, put together myself with some hot peppers, like habanero, some ginger, some onions, green onions, yellow onions, some garlic, thyme, and some dry jerk seasoning, and blended that all together in my food processor and had this marinating overnight. It's close to 24 hours this has been marinating, so the flavor and the smells and the aroma in the kitchen right now is just amazing. I also had some red wine vinegar in the marinade and some olive oil. The red wine vinegar is supposed to help tenderize it. This is pork. It doesn't really need tenderizing, but it'll make the cooking process a lot quicker. And I'm just getting some of this marinade like down inside, close to the bone on the meat here. Making sure we get all these flavors everywhere. Alright. This is a whole pork shoulder. It's about 10 pounds on this pork shoulder here. And then I have a rack of ribs. So I couldn't get it all together. Everything's all cut apart. Would have been nice to have just one big piece, but that's nice right there. My smoker is already ready at 225. I really want to see the difference in the textures and the cooking styles. And at the end of the video, we'll do a little taste test and show you how those look. Make we run a boat. It's a So this is my leftover seasoning for the jerk, the marinade here. And I'm just mixing that with a little beer. Add a little bit of flavor. This is a bush, and this is a lager. It's not a light, so tons of that flavor still left over in there. This pork is in the oven for 45 minutes. And this is what I'm going to use to baste the pork, you know, throughout the jerk process right now. Alright, that's nice. The pork is like almost cooked, so that's perfect. Ooh, a little heavy. And right now we're going to move it to the grill. is where that pre-cooking comes in, where you just kind of want this half done so it's not on the grill for too long a period. Now we have two different pieces of pork. This one was pre-cooked in the smoker for about an hour. Not as done as the one in the oven, but it's still pretty good. And now the fire is really low, so we're gonna have a long, low, slow jerk pork right now. Be right back. Right now it's been 30 minutes. Gonna check and flip. These ribs getting a nice little char on them. And now they're looking real good. Dip them in the thing. This is just going to keep the meat really moist. Don't want no dried out pork at all. Really done right now. It's good. Skin's nice and soft. Meat's cooked. Ribs are definitely done. Even it's chilling on the top rack. Not much heat. The ribs cook really fast. Pork is done. The ribs got cooked first of everything. Really done right now. Real juicy. All the way done. To try these ribs. All right, Scotty, take a bite of that pork. Let me know how it tastes.
Real good. Perfect meat falls right off the bone. Really juicy. 15 out of 10.
Piece was pre-cooked in the oven. Gonna just right now. Really good. This was the piece pre-cooked in the smoker.
Man,
Real good. It looks a little bit more juicy than the one that was done in the oven. You can see that smoke ring that started to form around it. And this was only in the smoker for an hour, so it didn't really take much time. I'm gonna have my friend here, Molo. Real, give me a real Jamaican taste test.
bread.
So, two different pieces.
Whoa. It's a real deal. That's a real one, man. Excellent.
Season to the full.
Yes. Mm-hmm. This one is really good, actually. Trust me.
So the consensus is the one that was done in the smoker is more tender, more
Yes.
have that more smoky flavor. You can tell by that smoke ring. And this is only an experiment, so the next time I do jerk pork, I think I'm gonna pre-cook it in the smoker and finish it on the grill. Watching our video today. Steps and ingredients are gonna be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this wherever you want. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
That's a real deal.